Yes, sir.
Sir, you can start, sir.
Okay, yeah, it is visible. So thank you very much, and sorry for the inconvenience caused due to technical issue. So good morning to all of you. I am here to present my lecture on identification and characterization of high temperature tolerant brinjal genotype for hot arid environment. I am working here at ICAR Central Institute for Arid Horticulture, Bikaner, Rajasthan. Next, please. So when we talk about hot arid region, it comprises of 60% geographical area of the country, which includes Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Maharashtra. So this hot arid region is characterized by high aridity index, means drought are very recurrent, rainfall is very less, we can say 200 to 300 mm per year. It is also characterized by extremes of temperature, and when I say extremes of temperature, it does not only mean high temperature, it also includes low temperature, which ranges from -4 to 52 degrees Celsius. And it is also characterized by high soil pH and many biotic factors like diseases and pests. So under these harsh climatic environment, it becomes very difficult to grow quality yield under such harsh climatic conditions under open field condition. So these are the constraints of hot arid region. Next, please. So if we want to cultivate vegetables or any crop successfully under these harsh climatic conditions, we need to have apocyte or suitable genotypes which can grow well under these harsh climatic conditions. So when we talk about brinjal, it comes under Solanaceae family, which is one of the important family of the vegetable crops. It also includes tomato, chili, and potato. And internationally, it is known as aubergine or eggplant. And we all know that brinjal is originated in India, and that is why India has largest number of diversity in brinjal, and it is widely consumed by individuals, and that is why it is known as vegetable of the masses. And as I told, it is originated in India. There are number of improved cultivars released from public and private sector, which are suitable for rainy and summer season and performing well due to the favorable climatic conditions. But in summer season, this crop, all varieties does not perform well. But this brinjal has high demand in summer season, but less production due to low fruit set under high temperature conditions becomes a challenge. Because we all know that brinjal fruit set is best at 18 to 21 degrees Celsius, whereas most of the cultivar experiences reduced fruit set at temperature above 35 degrees Celsius and above, and which is because of flower drop when temperature goes above 35 degrees Celsius. So if we want to grow vegetable brinjal under where temperature goes above 40 or 45 degrees Celsius, we need to have a suitable genotype or variety which can tolerate the high temperature. Next, please. Brinjal, as I told, lot of diversity is present in the country, but has not been exploited fully in terms of specific trait, quality, and region-specific varieties. And as I told in the previous slide, that brinjal varieties from favorable agroclimate of nearby states are not performing well in the hot arid regions due to their sensitivity to high temperature. On the other hand, local land races or popular types, available varieties with good taste of consumer preferences are very low yielding because of biotic and abiotic factors. So considering all these together, the present study was aimed to identify and characterize a source of high temperature tolerance, having regional preferences as well for developing trait-specific suitable cultivar for hot arid agroclimate. Next, please. So the brinjal genotype, named as CIAH22, was evaluated under 4 different environments, that is during summer and kharif season of 2020 and 21. And a number of genotypes, including varieties, regional and national checks, were evaluated under natural field conditions, and they were studied for morphological, horticultural, and different yield traits. Then the potential lines were identified based on the performance and then characterized. And to confirm the high temperature tolerance, pollen viability and germination test was also conducted. And then lastly and finally, to confirm its specificity at genetic level, molecular characterization of the identified lines was also done using CBDP and Scott markers, which we will discuss in the coming slides. Next, please. So this is the weather parameters during crop period. We can show, as I told in the beginning, that under hot arid region, temperature ranges from -4 to 52 degrees Celsius. And we can see that this is the average temperature, weekly average temperature, which goes up to 48 degrees Celsius. And then rainfall is very less. So from here we can understand that how extreme the climate is under hot arid region, where it is not possible to grow all cultivars which are popular in favorable climates. Next, please. Then this is the plant growth parameters of brinjal genotype CIH22 under worrying production environment. And here we can see that different like plant height, number of branches per plant, leaf length, leaf width, petiole length, and number of thorns on leaf. And one of the important trait of this genotype is that it has thorns on leaf and fruit calyx, which is also desirable for having a tolerance to abiotic stresses. And we can see that number of thorns on fruit calyx ranges from 13 to 20. Next, please. And here the important yield traits like number of fruits per plant, fruit length, fruit diameter, fruit weight, fruit yield, and fruit yield quintal per hectare. We can see that number of fruits per plant ranges from 16 to 24. Then fruit length ranges from 7.36 to 8.57. Then fruit diameter 6.94 to 7.31. Then fruit weight ranges from 140 to 155 grams. Then fruit yield ranges from 447 to 471 quintals per hectare. Here it is important to mention that fruit yield is not significant. That means this genotype is performing stably. Means the genotype is stable under high temperature conditions of hot arid region, and thereby yield is stable. That is a good trait. Next, please. And this is the picture of high temperature tolerant brinjal genotype CIH22. First photograph is showing the plant growth, that is the vegetative growth, where we can see the thorns are present on the leaf. And the third picture showing the flower. And here it is important that, as we all know, that brinjal has 4 types of flowers, that is long style, medium style, short style, and pseudo short style. But in this genotype, and we also know that the fruit set occurs maximum in long style flower, which is very desirable for high fruit set and yield. So in this genotype, most of the flowers, means 60 to 70% flowers were long style, and that is also one of the reason this genotype had high fruit set and high yield under high temperature conditions. And the second and fourth picture are showing its fruit, that very attractive bluish purple color and shining, and color is retained throughout the summer season, where temperature then goes up to 50 degrees Celsius. That is one of the beauty of this high temperature tolerant genotype CIH22. Next, please. And this is again some photographs of the picture in the field during May and June. Fruits are having regional preferences because these are medium sized, attractive bluish purple color, and which gets premium price in the market. And it is also to some extent it is tolerant to shoot and fruit borer, which is major pest of the brinjal. Next, please. And here we can see the comparative performance of this genotype with national checks like Pusa Bindu, Pusha Kranti, Pusha Uttam. And here we found that the full fruit yield of CIH22 goes up to 450 to 500 quintals per hectare as compared to national checks like Pusa Bindu, Pusha Kranti, and Pusha Uttam, which goes up to 250 to 300 quintals per hectare. That means it is 20 to 30% higher than the national checks under hot arid environment during summer under high temperature conditions. Next, please. And after observing and its performance, that is with respect to yield and fruit quality, we wanted to confirm its pollen viability and germination, whether it because whenever we talk about high temperature tolerance, pollen viability and germination is one of the important parameter to confirm the high temperature tolerance. And therefore, pollen viability study was conducted, and it was found that this brinjal genotype CIH22 had 83.71% pollen viability at temperature of 45 degrees Celsius. Here we can see that what are the viable pollens and which are the non-viable pollens. It was tested through acetocarmine test, and the pollen dots which are showing dark color, these are viable pollens, and which are light in color, these are non-viable pollens. So from pollen viability study, it was confirmed that yes, it has the high temperature tolerance. Next, please. Then to confirm its genetic purity at genetic level, it was characterized using molecular markers like CBDP and Scott markers with national checks, other 11 varieties. Number one is that CIH22, and here we can clearly see that it is genetically different from rest of the genotypes, because some of the alleles which are present or absent in other genotypes are not present and absent in the CIH22. So it is genetically different from rest of the varieties or genotype. Next, please. So coming to the conclusion, based on the crop phenology, morphological studies, and based on the evaluation of the yield traits and pollen viability study, it is concluded that trait-specific brinjal genotype, which has thorns on its leaf and fruit calyx, was identified as a high temperature tolerant, which can produce quality and high yield under hot arid region. And it also showed the traits like it has the bigger fruit size with attractive bluish purple color, having thorns on stem, leaf, and fruit calyx. Which is desirable for getting the premium price in the market. And therefore, this genotype has the potential for cultivation during both seasons, rainy winter as well as spring summer, during April, May, and June, where when temperature goes above 50 degrees Celsius under abatic stressed environment. And therefore, the CIH22 could be used in a breeding program of brinjal to develop high temperature tolerant cultivars in a changing climate scenario. So this is all about the presentation. Now we can have any questions or discussion at the end if any participant wants to ask. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It's a wonderful work you are being doing, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I have one query. Is this CIH22 released nationally, or it's not released yet?
Not yet released. It is under evaluation under AICRP trials. Okay. And yeah.
Can we try it in our temperate regions?
Yeah, it can be tried there.
So can we get the seed then? Or
you can write to our director ICR CIH Bikaner. We can share the material, no issue. It can be used for research purpose.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So anyone from the participants who wants to interact with Dr. Saab? If there are no questions, then we can wind up the program. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again for joining in this program. So
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
We will share your number also in our group and among the participants, and they can contact you, sir.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.